We're here to look at geography at St Peter's School. We study OCRB here, and you'll see it's divided up into physical and human geography. A lot of the things you would expect to see: volcanoes, tropical rainforest, beaches, but also studying cities, our place within the world, wealth and resources, and how we divide those up into our ever-growing population. The course is divided up into 3 exam papers. The first 2 are physical and human papers, and the final one a thinking skills paper. There's 13 marks per topic within the exam, and questions range from multiple choice, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, and the highest tariff are usually a 6 mark question. There's no tiers of entry into geography, and the reason that we chose this specification was because it awards the highest percentage of marks for thinking skills and applying our learning, which we think are really important skills in life, and those are assessed in the final paper, paper 3. Why should you study this topic? It is so wide and varied and relevant, and we look at all of these sorts of topics within our GCSE course, from beaches to weather and climate to Brexit and our part within our global economy, looking at food security and free school meals, and of course the issues to do with COVID. Geography has never been more relevant than in the past year, and I think you'd be surprised at the range of things that we study within the GCSE course. As a teacher of geography, I think there's a number of reasons why it's a good GCSE to choose. It links very well to some of your other subjects. 20% of your marks come from maths marks, so it allows you to practice those skills. There are fieldwork opportunities that we write about in the exam, but that practical learning environment for 25% of your marks. And also that mixture, as we've talked about already, of low and medium tariff questions allows lots of chances to gain marks in the exam. It's a well-regarded subject by universities and employers, not least because of the applied learning that we've already talked about. Students' reasons for choosing geography at GCSE come back to this idea that it is relevant and that you're studying things from the natural world around us, both social, economic and environmental. We're a very successful department. We've had a pass rate of 85%, 9 to 4, over a number of years. A large number of students carry it on to A-level. Some go on to degree every year. And the truth is that students enjoy their geography studies at St Peter's and enjoy the breadth of the things that we study. Sometimes people tell us that it is not relevant, that it's about rivers and oxbow lakes, but actually geography is so much more than that and so diverse, and particularly within the specification that we've chosen to study, allows students to really look at issues that are in their world today. The other thing people tell us is that geography only jobs it relates to are being a geography teacher or making maps, and that is just not true. There are so many different places that geography could take you. The ideas of sustainability and development underpin many of our concepts within all sorts of workplaces and within the economy. So geography is a diverse subject that links to many different areas, and therefore very employable skills are covered within it. I'm often asked, would my child be suited to GCSE geography? And I think there's so many things that would make it suitable. I've put a great list there of things, and I would say that if 3 or more of those apply to you, maybe consider studying GCSE geography. It is all about being a person and the planet on which we live, and so ultimately, if you are a person and you live on planet Earth, then it will be relevant to you. There are lots and lots of different skills and options within geography, and I think the key thing is, if you enjoyed your GCSE studies in year 7, year 8, year 9, if you're enjoying what you're doing, if you want to know more, then talk to your teacher and find out what they think. But we think that geography is suitable to all students at GCSE.